Just thought I'd pop to Finedon Road sidings, see if there's anything here. And there's one loco there, it's quite a long way away. I've zoomed in as far as I can. No, I'm not, I can zoom further. There you go, Wellingborough, Finedon Road. Well, I haven't been down Mill Road Bridge for quite some time due to the amount of works going on and one thing and another. The bridge has now got a weight limit on. There's various cracks down the brickwork. I don't know whether they intend leaving it, whether it's a listed building, or I really don't know. So we'll have a look at the other side where they're putting up the new bridge to connect to Stanton Cross, the new part of Wellingborough. Soon be all houses and school. I understand there's going to be a big car park and also another entrance to the station from the east side of Wellingborough, as well as the west as it is now.
Will it go up that way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, right. It's coming back. It's coming.
They are. This will be a little bit shaky, but that's Stanton Cross being in the formation mode, making roads and stuff up on the hillside.
On there?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Come on, mates.
HST drawing out of Wellingborough station, heading north.